Okay, so NVIDIA stock is flying today and it looks unstoppable. The trend is clearly bullish and so far there's not a single top sign nor a single bearish pattern indicating that it could reverse or even correct a bit. Moreover, NVIDIA is about to reach our long-term target, which we have been talking about for many months in this channel. Many people have called me crazy, but here we are. This is truly insane, but it is at times like this that we must pay extra attention and not let euphoria take over. What is our long-term target and what to expect next? Let's take a look. Let's start our analysis on NVIDIA stock. My name is Nathan and you are welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. So let's start our multiple time frame analysis looking at the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, since February 23, NVIDIA has been inside a congestion, moving erratically, dancing around the 21 exponential moving average over here without any crystal clear trend. Right now, we are doing an upwards breakout. The EMA is finally rising over here. We are way above the EMA as well. What's more, we just triggered a bullish pivot point. We did a higher high, higher low. The previous low, what's more, this low over here occurred after we found a support at the 21 EMA as well. So see, everything over here is pointing towards a bullish continuation. What's more, like that wasn't enough, NVIDIA triggered an inverted head and shoulders chart pattern. Let me see, where is the next, the previous shoulder over here. I think I have to decrease this value a little bit. So see, this is an inverted head and shoulders. NVIDIA just triggered the neckline at this area around 242, which was our previous resistance level on it. And we are just flying, trying to seek the next resistance level at 258. Of course, we already talked about this pattern over here on my newsletter. So if you want to keep in touch with premium analysis, premium insights, take a look at my website, link in the description of this video, daily analysis on Tesla, SPY, NVIDIA, and other stocks. So if you want to keep in touch on a daily basis, take a look at the Market Dive daily newsletter. Now back to NVIDIA. The 258 is our long-term target. It is our long-term target since, I don't know, since when NVIDIA was down here, since last year. Because, why? Because NVIDIA follows the same pattern that Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, and other mega cap stocks, they usually do that. When we see an open gap above the price, usually this gap will get filled in the future. We just don't know how or when. Maybe it is gonna take 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, but eventually gaps above the price, they always get filled. And this movement just reinforces this thesis, because right now we are on the verge of filling the last gap at 258. We already filled the gap at 230 over here. When NVIDIA was down here and I talked about these gaps, many people called me crazy. They said, "Oh Nathan, you are just crazy. I can't believe you are saying such a stupid thing over here." Well, right now we are about to fill these gaps. So what's more? What's even more important right now at this moment? NVIDIA is bullish. It is in a bull trend because we triggered an inverted head and shoulders in the weekly chart. We did an upwards breakout from this descending channel. The 21 exponential moving average is right now below the price. It is pointing upwards. So in theory, even if NVIDIA corrects, it is supposed to find a support at this 21 EMA in the future. We are on the verge of filling this gap. If we do a top sign in this area, I would not be surprised. And this might indicate that NVIDIA could correct, could trigger a pullback, maybe again to the 230 over here, but only if NVIDIA does and triggers a crystal clear bearish structure. Right now there is none. What is a bearish structure in your humble opinion, Nathan? Any structure that rejects the idea that NVIDIA is doing higher highs, higher lows in the daily chart, meaning we gotta do lower highs, lower lows. If NVIDIA triggers a bearish structure doing lower highs, lower lows, then okay, then maybe we are going to trigger a sharper pullback in the weekly chart, because I do agree, NVIDIA looks quite stretched right now. If we pick from the previous bottom on December last year to right now, today, we are going up 82%. So yes, I do agree, we are stretched. NVIDIA could correct from here, but as long as we don't see crystal clear bearish structures in the daily chart, this pullback is not going to materialize. NVIDIA will just remain bullish. So right now, it all depends on how it is going to react under this support area. If we see a true bearish reaction, maybe okay, maybe a pullback is going to materialize. If we trigger a bearish structure, then okay, a pullback in the weekly chart might materialize. Even in the weekly chart, there's not a single top sign. So right now, NVIDIA is a true bear killer. It is insanely bullish, but of course I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this channel, so subscribe if you liked the content, otherwise you are going to miss my future videos, and click on the like button if you found this video interesting. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.